All right, let's start with IELTS speaking part one. Would you like to go to any park or garden?
Yes, I like to go to park and garden because whenever I feel bored, I went to the
I
park.
go to.
I go to the park and where I felt
I
very
feel. Present tense.
okay. I feel very happy and comfortable when I saw the
When I
flower,
see.
when I see flower and plants and children are playing with swings.
Yeah, children play with swings. So to
Yes.
answer this question, I would say I really enjoy going to the garden.
Okay.
5, 6 sentences and then one sentence conclusion. Let's go on. Do you prefer to go to the garden in the morning or in the evening?
Usually, I go to the park in evening because I will be free in evening. So that's why I go to.
Okay, now I will be free.
Okay.
That's not right. I'm usually free, or I usually get free in the evening, or I do have some spare time in the evening.
Right.
Therefore, I love to visit any garden in the evening. Okay, let's go on. Would you prefer to play in a public park or your personal lawn or park?
I would prefer to a public park because there have a lot of stalls for eating something like, so that's why I want to go to a public park.
Okay. In your answer, there is less information and there is a repetition of same vocabulary. Try to use different words and try
Right.
to give a little more information. Like some of your answers, the first two answers, that answer was long. It
Right.
should be to the point, compound sentences. In 5 to 6 sentences, you can conclude it. Okay?
Right.
All right. Thank you.
Thank